for me das say when ya emre wo hwe the political world program for ya the abetudwa ya the politics in some ebebramo political parties say Ghana ha yina any wi asama mo nsem bebramo na ve so ade ekoso political places bia no ya the bebramo constituency assembly political parties, party offices, baby biara politics in someone about train na yeda abramo nene ya abeshia opini baako organize se ka Ghana panyefo odimu pa na oye NPP national vice chairman ni di edi chairman Omare Wade ene ye ne bebe hwe komo na ya hwe se ne mpeso so ne constituency etie na afesi ya hwe inema pattern ebeye amon be break 8 no ntina ya be hwe sign ne man ntino chairman e ma akwaba eba the political world
yo do so
chairman yaka chairman Omare Wade a oye hwan
brefo bi ana mense si moache so pebe machasi a ye wo me nkra ha na papa no ya agric officer and now mama say teacher the transfer la show ekonyi wo oboko husband fi and we musiku aboko okay because class 1 or go Methodist and maybe or government school in between the preparatory school because Ghana Oxford preparatory school be preparatory school one price the papa de me call home do me benefit school fees no more to too rough and I'm bring papa transfer catch as school fees no board we who are there be the school I go there some baby government school the free government school as I said that time we sure common entrance therefore will be common entrance secondary school from 4 and work but we sure from 3 and me adom ya pass here we pass here and then we got to call read secondary school those who go the initially we call boarding house actually them guys boarding house come them do number a day but I got into the end of the sign called boarding house and a week called route better than crying say need the business and you want the business and all that. Into a business kakra no kwa na me near back shop one and they cut the ton bags can see if when a bag bar bashi but no cause that time no can bag go about she mokola hobby no the musana ye bar and that's my brother back be a free I don't know brother na Firefox brother back cause no so go shop hotel the free man go no na call my brother na me offer back on so call coco travel say finance free year be a company be okromo ha na dem Mrs. Ada they make work on no the free one of done coco travel and also just them in the company no more that he taught me a lot. He had call school honeymoon called child masters at Bass that time. The masters for the North send it. I'll be a you. I got with that until the 70s and I learned a lot from him. And no more that time no Rawlings time. And free honeymoon and democracy. Someone said that we call democracy. In fact, Rawlings by and I'm Rawlings time and I'm cousin Papa, cool, there, they will move down it. Papa's no or ya Greek and or sign a business. Mrs. For the Benjamin across the business with Tina. Because Papa no trucks me. And then load do them free up front place background. And buy this. Say no or Bob was here, our bank loan and the bank financing man. So that they ABAU. So come bank so per car, same thing. Abion me and son no one electric papa. Stealing your food and some say, I don't know, or the loan of Kotoka. Ghana if you're because papa no, because no, yeah, extension will be cement to be a good baby, and then when it's Kakoto cement. Hey, no, son, I be a bar and a cold store. The first cold store, well, cold store, I mean, you go on and papa. Boko store nti nso na mu aguma dan nkwa we ton sansan ton kwa enam san e what trucks e papa kom e de papa kom me mpa and the free hold no na sika semba form kakra but sometime kwa no wa resign or retire not resign no retire no resign because okache say no more am de call boko and I'm going to call baby now. I'm going to back over. Now I'm so on Sanko Boko, so uncle. Just a 100 man, the guy a baby mine. And tea, if I try to cry, Rollins are not this no. I did democracy. I'm saying that time, no political party, they were. And then that, we come join in. That time we for the Dan Kobuzia club. And but Dan Bako, that boat, also the Raka. And could join the woman. The community name Jamisu and the Musa and the Dignam. Because Panconia causes some SSR and Satan to fear the Raka Betram, we for our airport residential.
Me draw no to say fitin kola bem no akolapa saa na wodeni ko so hwe
osom
yeah o hwe mo say tama okos ko kata pass school fees no edoso it is say obey nima dia unima uni na school fees don't yes sa usman na de ko aban school na yesa hwe a okotena wanti ho ne ejuma wo okanshi wo no so osomo no na vi so uza sumo fasa sumo party no tese o kan o se sankomia ase we start here no mu dididi mu e pake konya meetings ni other things na o ye be sina o so some party no
yes you free at the Rakaba I had no we offer hon in fact I told me offer ka say Saturday Rollins na also what do you 200 Rollins there 200 the concept na idea of the buy be say and never no person and then the Ghana a cost of bond raising no money sa never no can the NTS or yeah no flash show frustration of fever coil no South America unfortunately he passed away pressure man and I feel could do one heart attack and he died so sad though and see I could have learned a lot from him to all come and say how long am I going to work for people. So I took a decision and said, Miankasa me pekwa so I am Miankasa majuma. And so thinking through, no then I met me here without a capital. No capital. The minimum secondary school at Macquarie. And fortunately, now my brothers let me well about 3 cousins. No, I don't want to cook a banner, Jabula, me a brandy and movie. But then Chromosa no biato. Until yes, and I'm Saka you make grass and you be a thing. You don't need a capital. Once you are able to be loyal and sincere to people, you see, and Tiba make you start in canton. Maybe I'm constantly and so yeah. At a time, better time in a pound floor. La show, so therefore. Cock pepper, big Yankasa, train grant and door of the car, because you see of Tiwasa, so therefore, about the whole massage. Hey! Pam say and I jam free and I jam compare another place. And those because see home the cars, the cars and bands when I'm cool here cars and wow ton car one epic car to them should be I don't talk out them before I realized I had my own garage. And it was one of the in fact sometimes no Uber car dealers and all can bear 5 for them count.
Nice.
6, yes. I can say Papa Baku for the Joe boy and Wache and Brian and Uncle Uncle Terry. says amongst us cars
you bought 5 people now Udimbi. Oh nice.
From
but now a year ben is it 10 years ago I say year 2091 92
we secondary school 1988 and I'm a bank within 3 years just in 91 hormone and I'm a start here there 91 92 I remember very well. I became that time no then that years I was no can't nkwala na homodi omo kakra but they mo kakra at that old young age we school me 18
for 20 me bo we dey me di fame it's by then now we young na ska o na masam kakra oni so na se na we cool
na me abrante
masam
me na me abrante
masam kakra o
me na me abrante
chapman we say waka so we obema na always can dey mama ko
that time na me sum na me parent me rosa but to me be no to be no da no aka so ya bufra a woska ya kwa director I was about 23 24 name nam director na we there
ti satam na o champion sado
o say
chema me say satam na imasam kakra ho anase na no na o
na me ya branch na me pesika me dem me si so me pesika
the business nkwa
come do at me tell you
no nkwa oba ba ku menu bi am be fem kwa
me o de your friend so what's message
okay chama
message
pacha you
enti you best start carton dimu and aggressive pa na ugo halma bawra office no ka bi am to bi na ho to bi le ha crisis say we han house open carton just it was hard selling aggressive
na can you come on
oh yes and then I went into Gobushi for the bar we I no recommend oh for come up we to bra we no to garage hold there burgers no bar and then I saw something a burger for bar be a pedance or pedanto then they me call real estate construction ti me ya na jam ko hu asem ahemfo no na me normal o bi de car ba na akwajes asem no twitwa man burger for no na was magic crash mo sa na dem nti I know the man cycle rack construction and I move could be a travel agency because people say a no bar move check ticket on the animal but come with this time no until jam so ko the human the say what idea no bar that jaw ko you do correct now the job we go no crofo can have problem I will pay people you can trust.
Okay.
Who can you trust? Say what judge what be a juma now dear Joby. What be a juma no for be so bef why will any juma no and yet that is the biggest challenge in Ghana. I mean I'm a politician but I'll say it as this and talk to any businessman, any entrepreneur, anybody who runs a company, anybody who runs a business. Yeah, there's a prosy for the year I go for now and then we have said prosy for the year it's I'm sure a big dry system, a big dry team as Ghanaians and it's not too good. But anyway, I go for the end and one a little bit for democracy no but the cover mun e consume yes and at a young boy across so me my do why that time I to about to move here back by residential. Fortunately I was living very close to Dubai his house.
But then we are not airport residential.
But started what we feel called about the America and better asylum down and so I remember airport residential.
And the time what bra
better than until you consume what no the democracy na go for ya do. And I see a meeting near you dey be an edimu ya kwa na the rally ne car. Because maybe I could go complain about the raka. I do why the driver really who no the damn see me come who Well, I got closer to them. Okay. Unfortunately, you got to Abano. And the culture was stolen verdict. And the Dubois went to me and I Kufo. I Bob the show stolen verdict now. They hadn't. The Musana, Aja Kufo is better Cuba. And also on the Rollins. And the CC so last show na 2000 President Kufo it's me winning part no my and MPP the power. But at that time no some can't say that me come secondary school from 5 when they were business. The politics no buy Jana couple year madam na be a constituency chairman I was so West Wogan.
Which year was that?
I think it was 2001. No, 2001. And the constituency chairman. So me a polling station chairman, and I'm a ward. Saturday for the ward chairman. And I'm a constituency chairman. I assume you're quite near my field. Your dog and this soup. As I said, nobody was giving anybody anything. As one of you end up walking.
Pachaman, Minchon, all said, let's say party be any be free party with the party a year or two. Now, or a crib now when you're free party, man, I say, acquire your time and I say before be.
I don't say them when you buy a sad democracy be NDC for introducing you. Okay. Yeah, got 2 no more chairman to a cool no money and that was how this. I saw started here.
I don't know it's on Ben to an animal teacher channel.
92, that time 92, no one knows that. And people need to say we couldn't raise money.
Okay.
So we will struggle and work like show near Fiaka couldn't bend to one money, a cottage check. And I was a palm scat, no more cottage check. I saw more. I saw I to trust them about politics. No more. I careless. Oh. PDC, PNDC, PDC, CDR4 no oh. Near Monam no more. No one and I'll tell you about to cousin be over to me once. Now the number one and say, Kasi, you buy your repeater, can you survive it? But through despite all that, we survived it. We sacrificed. It was a huge sacrifice. People got lost missing. People got missing. Oh, that time, the radio, TV, about social media. Phone crowd near video. Fortunately, I was lucky to be one of the first mobile phone users in Ghana. And nowadays, I don't cry phone one and a coffin. Be a baby. Sometimes, no, for that is a handbag, no, no man, open carry this one. Now, I know about second. That was the second for you. The first day to say, they see fear, they ring. Kakra do telephone na sifi the uncle if you na near wine say kakra and so they see what to say in Mizabonte and in the family Mizabonte and Kasa and no buy they managed to buy a secure one and no cry no flow be an net obi no flow one net those days the screen will be able to touch it.
It's not different between focus Ghana no na phone the common sir.
Well, the fear be no.
Okay.
Landline but obi NTF our friend was in Canada office. They said down now but we be able to link you. We had come from far. That time now will be out to a board to the credits. Because that's the only way you can ring and not get the attention of parents.
Oh, but I can send you. I can send me. Okay, you know. So, you be genuinely and there's some call. But you have missing now. The old top one idea.
Say, to the phone or one, Calfred say, you may go. You go up on Tina on the Casa. Now, what can I say? We're buffing to Bana. So, Coco, beside Cobo, Promus, I own the quiet. Do you know what to go? One night is out to was so concurrent as a Maba. What we did to me, the publicness and someone can the mom, we are not here with them, you people don't know. But we went through a lot. we survived it and still doing business and still in politics. Now we can education. I could do baby and bear consultant chairman. So me call near tick of 40 near tick a friend saying Dubai. Then I realized I came here and then hey, Nipanum did know Jake or Dubai. I see Queen me, hey, I must meet him. Say, hey, I'm watching that me. Maybe I do me feel maybe I do my bedroom. Me show more, then come on, but me show more. I'm just, and me quite a man go invest in me. And how I'm a 10 time here. Graham Kai, never be and the Menka. I come home, I never be and the go when I'm to the university go. Where them could be. And then mammy called further me education. Because I realized the position, yes, the human, yeah, but
scan so hot.
No, make them crowd, but they're not can say, yeah, they and woman, but you needed to go and further education. So, no matter what, I'm called university. And it's about twice, and I could part them 2 times. Oh, I was so as constituency chairman. And at the point, there was certain things that I wanted. That time I had so much energy and ideas. It just could come. There was something that I said we should do, and as constituency chairman, it wasn't possible for. It was difficult. And yeah, I'm so okay there. Meko region. Region is too free. And I felt it's a Ga state community. So why don't we leave the Gas to rule or lead the party? Because as much as possible, we didn't want. I thought and say keep target party as I can. And I decided not to contest for the region, but leave Ayawaso West and go for the national vice chairman. Okay. So I left Ayawaso West after 2 terms, contested the first time, lost, second time, lost, third time, and then I could point here Domina Ghana for MP4 delegates. I'm my opportunity to come and serve. And since then, politically, we are still serving.